Hello everyone, this is Joe and I'm with Adrian, my sweetheart, and I just wanted to make a quick video to throw on YouTube, hopefully to help our GoFundMe campaign, to boost it, because we're not getting so much action at all, and it's been like 4 months we have the campaign running, except for 2 donations from family members, because you need $500 in your campaign to actually go live on the site. So we got that, and we haven't got any other donations. So I just want to do a quick update with a link to the GoFundMe page you'll find, and if you could please help us any way possible. If you have the means, we'd appreciate it. So I'm just going to run through the house quick, and like I said, you'll see the link for the GoFundMe page. Thank you so much. So I'm going to be running through the house quick. I'm going to be wearing a gas mask, so it'll be a short video like I said. But please go to our GoFundMe page where you can read all about our story, what we've been through and still going through. Plus, you know, there's mold all through the house, and there's no light. I got a little flashlight. Alright, so here we go. There it is. This is what's left of it. This was the bedroom. You can barely see in here. It's just done. Disgusting. The bathroom. Mold. This is mold. This is upstairs. It's just disgusting. This black mold is growing everywhere. I gotta get out of here. Please help us. Please. God bless everybody.